In a world where luxury, space, and innovation collide, Audi sets a new standard with their boldest vision yet. Welcome to our in-depth review of the 2026 Audi Urbansphere, the future of premium MPVs. Designed for the megacities of tomorrow, the Urbansphere isn't just a vehicle, it's a sanctuary on wheels. Let's dive in. At first glance, the Urbansphere commands attention with its futuristic front fascia. The massive illuminated grille, accented by digital LED patterns, acts almost like a moving light show, signaling moods, driving modes, or greetings. Audi's iconic four rings are embedded boldly at the center, flanked by razor-thin headlights that almost melt into the aerodynamic hood lines. The front design speaks confidence, intelligence, and modernity, pushing Audi's design language into new territory. Around the back, the Urbansphere continues its clean, elegant storytelling. A minimalist tailgate design is complemented by sleek vertical LED taillights, giving it a strong yet understated road presence. The full-width light strip subtly hints at the vehicle's width and stability, while the tinted rear windows and aerodynamic roofline ensure a seamless, sophisticated profile. It's not just practical, it's art on four wheels. Step inside, and the Urbansphere transforms into something almost otherworldly. Audi designed the interior around passenger comfort and freedom. Plush lounge-like seats are wrapped in premium, sustainable materials, featuring full recline, massage, and even footrest functionalities. Ambient lighting dances along the minimalist cabin, while a panoramic screen stretches across the front, offering entertainment, productivity, or relaxation modes. The centerpiece? A retractable transparent screen that descends from the roof, letting rear passengers enjoy video conferencing, streaming, or gaming, all while maintaining eye contact and interaction. But don't let its luxurious looks fool you. The Urbansphere is more than capable on the road. Built on Audi's premium platform electric, PPE, it's powered by a dual-motor setup producing around 400 horsepower and 530 pound-feet of torque. All-wheel drive comes standard, ensuring smooth, confident handling even in challenging city conditions. While Audi hasn't officially announced pricing, industry experts predict the Urbansphere will start around $130,000 to $150,000, depending on configuration and optional executive packages. Given its advanced technology, size, and luxury appointments, this price point firmly places it among the elite of electric luxury MPVs. As for availability, Audi plans a global debut in late 2025, with initial deliveries expected in early 2026. Markets like China, Europe, and North America will be the first to receive this groundbreaking model, aligning perfectly with growing demand for ultra-luxury family mobility.